This is the village of Montauk, New York. A beautiful September day. We're taking a ride out to a place called Camp Hero on Montauk Point. It's an old army camp. There's some army equipment there, a bunker, I believe. There's the sign for Camp Hero. They're working on the lighthouse, which is right there. They're doing some heavy construction out here. Big trucks all morning coming out here past the campground. Welcome to Camp Hero. This looks like a fishing access point. There's a fisherman. Or two. Nice spot. These must all be permitted parking sites. Hello. Hey. It's almost empty. Picnic area. There's the big radar installation. Barbecue pits. Nice. Fresh. All right. This is the dining hall. I wonder if the who's to say anything, right?
I know, but isn't it just funny how, like, someplace... How come they don't let us in there? I bet it looks shitty, huh?
Well, it looks like it might be dangerous. This used to be an army base, you know that, right? It was. Yeah. This was downtown Fort Hero. It was meant to be looking like a fishing village. Right, the gymnasium is meant to look like a church and so forth. It's supposed to look like a little village. That's why it has a bowling alley. Nice! of Battery 112. This is what we're looking at. Just like Battery 113, it's all sealed up with a concrete slab. Again, a lot of concrete here. Wow, that's where the guns were mounted. That means the German Navy was out there. Well, that's formidable. That must have been some project. Beautiful trail. New York State trail system. All right, we're not lost. What you look like. It is a nice trail. Seems like an old trail. Makes you wonder who might have walked this path before us, huh? Looks like we're crossing a little stream. More like a mud patty. Real thick woods. Ah, pavement. We found the end. Yeah, about 7 minutes to make that walk. I swear it was a half an hour. Battery 113 trail. Eat your Wheaties before you take that one. Whew. Check my map. We just came out of 113. Left and a quick right. All right, there's one last view to check out. There's the Montauk Lighthouse from the bluffs of Camp Hero.